Hey there. I'm just making this quick video for the quick comparison of the X90J with the LG C2, and if you're thinking about buying each of these. So the first thing is that the primary difference between these two is that the Sony X90J is a LED and the C2 is OLED. And what does it mean? Is that with the LED it's better for brighter rooms. Also, primarily it's cheaper, but it really depends where you're buying it. So I'm just curious where you're buying it and like what is the actually price where you want to get it from. And if you're looking for the long-lasting display with no risk of burn-in. So this is the first thing. The second thing, the OLED is more better for dark rooms. And if you're looking for the picture quality with the contrast and color accuracy. Now, when we are going to look here on the primary differences here, is that the LG C2 OLED is like dominating in many ways. Like when you're gonna have it for this ratings.com is an amazing site. I definitely recommend to check it out. One of the best review site right now on the internet, comparing to many AI articles. So mixed usage, TV shows, sports, video games, HDR movies, HDR gaming, or even the PC monitor, all of these with the ratings.com. You see this like really better. And now I even looked here on some post here. I just want to read it for you from the guy. So where it is? Yes, the person wrote here, get a C2. I have the X90J and with the PS5 causes vertical lines that burn in, is not great. I would get the C2 over the X90J. And the guy wrote here, I got the older Sony PS4 VR looks washed out. So this is like really important thing for you to know, and I just want to make this quick video. Maybe you're going to say it was like completely useless, but I know that for some of you it can be beneficial. So just be aware of it, that these are the important things that you need to know. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you're going to have a great day, and goodbye.